Yo, yo, we're back. Hope you're well. Um, we are going to start um, as we always do at the moment, with a little Pokemon team recap. So we have Lady, the Ralts. Sisnek, level 10. He's doing nicely. Oh, yeah, and this is the cool thing about this ROM hack. We're playing Pokemon Black 2, but as you can see, Fairy type. Very cool. Snivy. Yuji, the Ladybug, is doing nicely. Steven, the Panpour. Very cute. Fluffy, the Centret. And Paddle, the Lotad. I like Paddle. That's it. I'm pretty happy. Obviously, Paddle can go because we're going to be using Surfsnack, definitely. We don't need... I try not to double up on types. Okay. Today, we are going to be continuing on working on in this lovely dev scene that we've made. To begin with, though, I'm going to just quickly clean up all this stuff. And then in... Actually, which branch are we in? We're in main. Let's get out of main. And from rebranch, we're going to do movement system planning. Fantastic. So if I go to... That's right. Movement variables. Yeah. I'm just kind of reacquainting myself with how I did this. Let's actually drag our cube 1 just over here a little. Actually, you know what? Even better. Watch this shit. Turn on block out. Swap to player cube. Scale 1. Fantastic. And then place him there. And then swap back to this. And then let's make a little playground to test with. The thing that I'm curious about is how this interaction is going to work. And whether we can step up there or not. And no reference, and I forgot to parent these. So yes, cool. Fantastic. Yeah. So obviously this isn't working as it should be. Although that's working nicely. But yeah, the step up and step down needs refinement. Yeah, cool. So let's reacquaint ourselves with the movement script. So we have a bunch of variables. So we're doing a similar thing to how we did it last time, which I think I'm still pretty happy with. Yeah. I think we should do a little... Because then in the movement controller, depending on the move, we... Yeah, and then we just rotate the grandparent. And then this is parenting. Depending on, yeah, cool. So moves the rotation grandparent to the correct position depending on the move type. Yep. Then there's falling stuff. Yeah. And then this is the actual move. I think our first issue is we need to firstly create a little playground here as well of like yeah. Yes. Oh, I need another one, I think. Yeah. Yeah. There's actually 4. So it should get stuck there. So, yeah, there's our issue. This one is doing, ooh, yeah, that's okay. And that's doing that, cool. So yeah, that's our issue. This is just a stuck. It can't move. It shouldn't be able to move at all. Yeah, so let's add that in to the calculate move type. In fact, stuck should go first, I think, right? Yeah, else stuck. Theoretically, it shouldn't matter the order in which... we'll play around with it. Why not? Now, what's our syntax? Step down, step up. If, so this is if there is a cube in front and behind. Yep. If is cube direction 1 and is cube direction -1. If debug, then debug drawbox, debug box, color is cube, position, direction, scale. Debug box, direction -1, color is cube, position, direction, scale. Do I need to do Interesting. All right, should be fine. And then return move type stuck. Let's see what that do. Let's see what that do. I keep forgetting to do this. I'm going to do it now so I don't forget. So let's turn debugging on in our movement controller so we can see what's going on. And then move our game window down here. It's not really doing much. And it's not registering. Interesting. Movement controller, what are you doing? That's very interesting. I thought you were supposed to draw a bunch of stuff for me. Interesting. Yeah, I think this needs to go up the top. That's probably why. Past flat. Oh, we're going to be here a while. Oh, actually, no, we're not. About there. Are you shitty? Why are you shitty? Oh, because it's starting with an else. And then you need to start with an else if. I think maybe step up, step down, flat. Yeah, it should be doing this. I don't know why it's not. We'll have a look at that momentarily. There we go. Now he's stuck. And he's stuck forever, and it's still moving. Interesting. And then, yeah, it's got to do end move after that. We'll insert an animation. We should probably do like a placeholder one. Yeah. Fantastic. Okay. Yeah, because we haven't done, yeah, but we can, yeah, he's stuck now. Fantastic. That is working as intended. Sweet as. Cool. I don't like these colors. Is it too late to change them? Just this red is fucking hurting my eyes. Can you go brighter, please? Just like a little bit more pastel would be amazing. Now, is this a good use of 2 minutes? No. Is it going to soothe my soul? Yes. Therefore, is it a good use of 2 minutes? Also, yes. Oh, that is a little better. A little, not much, but a little. So, let's confront the problem of why we are not getting debugging stuff happening. Because it should be. My girlfriend has sent me an Instagram reel. Oh, I love it. All right. If debug, is that the name of it? Oh, I know why. Let's get rid of this and instead read from, do we have a reference to? No, we don't. All right, fine. It's probably just because I didn't turn it on in the calculate move type. Boom. Apply. This should be better. There we go. Fantastic. I'm now noticing that some of the boxes aren't perfect. Yeah, I think the direction -1 is broken and the forward one's broken. So, how does this work again? Debug box. Position plus radius. Okay. So this one I need to do like position minus vector 3 forward times scale, I think. Also, I can't remember if I asked, but is the game no longer named Cube Daddy, or was that just sort of a meme joke instead of the actual title? It is no longer named Cube Daddy, sadly. Dan's original prototype was called Cube Daddy, which was a bit of a meme because it's all about like parenting, but that's kind of a niche industry thing. And so now it's just called Cube. Fairs, yeah. Oh, we do have the direction. Forward times direction times scale. Cannot do that. What if we did this? Didn't think of that, did you? There we go. Cool. So if I wanted to go left, it's checking that there is one there. Fantastic. And then we also need to fix direction. This should instead be direction plus direction times scale. And then plus vector 3 dot up times scale. So let's move this guy. Can I do this? No. I much prefer this syntax, it's much cleaner. Ooh, I wonder. Ha ha ha. Sexy. And then direction down one, so it's position plus direction times scale for the forward one, and then plus vector 3 dot down times scale. Yeah. Cool. Position. Yeah. Times 2. Direction times scale times 2 plus vector 3 dot down times scale. All right, that should be much better. Yeah, fantastic. Yeah. Interesting. The up isn't working as intended. So we've done direction 1. Direction 2 is also done up. Yes, you are not doing what you're meant to be doing. Direction, no, just vector 3 dot up times scale. Up 2 is that, direction -1, that's easy. Minus direction times scale plus -1 down 1, direction times scale plus vector 3 dot down times scale. Direction times scale plus vector 3 dot down. Yes, would you look at that? Go IntelliSense. Down 1, that's just wrong. Plus vector 3 dot down times scale. Down 2, it's close. There we go. Thank you, IntelliSense. Left forward. I think we'll leave these for now. Just because, yeah, I'm not confident in their use cases just yet, and that's mostly for magnetic stuff or sticky stuff. So we'll leave that for now. So, good. That's good. Beautiful. Yes. Yes. No, something there isn't working. In the step down, step down, direction 1, -1, direction 1 down 1. No, we want is no cube. There we go. Good. Yes. 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 Yeah, and now we need to do the stepping down. So to get like this stuff working. Oh, then would you look at that? It's just a bunk flat. And that works as intended, but that's wrong. And this is wrong. Which is very interesting. So that's this one, yeah. Cool. Alrighty. So step down, step up. Yes. But we need to do the bonks. Interesting. All right. Bonk, step down 1. How many are there? I think there's only 2, which is weird because there's 3 bonk step ups. I think we'll find more as we go, probably. Because there's that one, this one, and that one's taken care of by bonk flat. Yep. So which one's which? Because that is bonk step up 1. I think this one's going to be 1. So when does this happen? Let me just try and just pause. No, I can just pause it. So bonk, step down, bonk, step down 1. This happens when there is no cube direction 1. There is no cube direction. It's kind of like, so you take like this, or this even. Huh. This is wrong. It's no. Yeah. Is no cube direction 1 down 1. And then is cube direction 2. Yep. Is cube direction 2. Debug box, direction 1. position, direction, scale. Debug box, direction 1, down 1, color no cube, position, direction, scale, scale. Debug box, direction 2, color is cube, position, direction, scale. Return, move type, step down 1. Cool. And then in our lovely movement, we need Oh, that's so cheeky. And then I think I need to do the thing of making a new, we have a thing. Scriptural objects. Scripts. Moves. Bonks. Great. And then we need to make the move. The way that we do that is monk create. Actually, let's just copy. It's actually, you know what it should be? You should just fall. Fuck whatever I was doing. Instead of this, what if we just did for roll? Flat even. Bonk, step down 1, to fall. Else if this instead return roll flat. Savvy. I wonder if this will just work. No. What am I doing? I'm doing a step down. That is unfortunate. Because the bonk. Oh, okay. Yeah, okay, let's put it up there. Why not? You know, yoink this. Put it in here. Yeah, and instead of doing this, do a roll flat. So bonk, bonk, step down. One is special because it's just a roll flat into a fall, probably. Yeah, let's see if that works. Aha! Yeah, I think so. I think that's right on the money. Now we just need to do the same thing for this. In fact, for this one, what I think I want to do is a roll and then a teeter and then back down and in. Yeah. Yeah. All right, let's do that. So let's take back these changes that we've made to moves. We may need to introduce a new type called like teeter. I think we will. Or teat, probably, as it's going to be called, which is funny. Really, it's a rock, now that I think about it. Yeah. So, let's get it working first. Detecting. So, calculate roll type, bonk, step down 1. Bonk, step down 2. Bonk, step down 2 is also special because it's a flat roll into a rock, into a fall. So this happens when we are No, wrong way. This happens when we are... there is no, yes. I think. Let's find out. Is no cube direction 1? Is no cube direction 1 down 1? Is no cube direction 2? Is cube direction 2 down 1? We can just pinch this. Except oops. Oh, I fucked up all this stuff, so I'm not going to do that. Thank you. Bonk, bonk. Is actually is no cube direction and is no is cube direction 2 down 1. If debug no cube debug box direction 2 down 1 is cube position direction scale return roll flat. I like it. Fantastic. And is the debug working properly? I believe it is. It's hard to tell. Yeah. Fantastic. I think though what we want to do is how does the rock work? How does the rock work? Science does not have the answers. Yeah. Yeah, cool. We need a new move called rock bonk rock, step, down. I think something like that. No, it's lowercase. Oh, but a rock. Yeah. Interesting. Yeah, okay, fine. It'll be like a little 10-degree thing over 1 second. We'll just put it in linear for now. And we want that to trigger. After this, which might be a little bit tricky. A little bit tricky. Because what it is it's a roll, and then a new pivot point. Yeah, it's a whole different thing. Let's make a new move called I'm getting to the point now where words don't look like they're spelt correctly already. Like, I was just looking at the word step and I was like, that is not a word. Oh yeah, okay. Okay, clear move type. Step down. Bonk. 2. Bruh. Cool. Now we make the move. Yes. Oh, actually, before we do that, yep. Step up. Great. What is the movement threshold? Why are you here? You don't need to be here. Yeah, why? Player movement, you should be in here. Maybe even an input. And then moves, not in movement data anymore, it's in brain movement thresh. Bruh. Yes, you do. Oh, it's in input, sorry. Cool. Fantastic. Ooh. That was funny. Why did it do that? It did the right thing. Huh. Ah, because in player movement we haven't. Yeah. Off grid, because I haven't set up how the get movement type. No. Where is it? Move rotation grandparent. Yep. I need to yoink. No, why? What? Huh? Yeah, there we go. Cool. That should fix it. Sweet. And am I doing... Yeah, I'm doing the right move. Fantastic. Gorge. I think I need a little snack. I'll be right back. Okay. Now, the question is... Let's get this going while I'm just sitting here. Actually, one way I could do it that would be really easy. No. No, it has to be a new thing. So, once we've done the move, yep. If movement type equals roll. Yeah. I think just in here, what we'll do is a little if let's just do like get if roll has a follow-up rock. If move type dot to string and then I want the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think. Let's debug it first. So how did I do it down here? Substring. I think it's 5 through 9, but we'll see. That's funny. Oh, it's because it's doing movement type. I want move type. Bruh. It's too long. If move type dot toString dot length is greater than or equal to 9. It's still too long. You're kidding me. Bruh. There we go. Exactly. So I want like 3 through 6. Let's see if that works. Oh. Huh, that's weird. Why has it got all of that? That should only be like 2 characters. Maybe it's... Oops. Oh, maybe it's inclusive. Like exclusive. So it's from 5 through... That still doesn't make sense. Huh. How does substring work? Oh, start index. I'm stupid. Okay. I thought it was a start index and an end index. I've got to read what the function does real quick. Fla. Fantastic. A ball. A boule. Bene. Fantastic. Fantastic. I don't know how I feel about the name, but it'll do for now. So, if this, yeah, we know we should check. You're right. If this equals a bonk, then do something very similar. Except, wow. Except, instead of end move, we are going to start bonk return, rock, end move. Start bonk return, start rock return. We are going to, I think it's going to be this. No, it's just, it's a whole new move. It's just going to be start rock. Yeah. Actually, before we move on though, let's see if this works as is. It should do, because I haven't changed anything, really. I've got a little chalky tart here. Yume. Very yume. Fantastic. That still works. Great. I think what we're going to do is in move, we're going to add a new thing called follow-up move. which is in itself a move. And so what this is going to do is start a move dot follow-up move. Are you public? You're not public, are you? Yeah. Yeah. And then in here, we are going to make a, yeah. Which is, yeah, this, which is a little 10-degree. And then the roll has this as a follow-up move. And then in here at the end, we start rock. Let's see what that do. Nothing. Nothing. Why did that do nothing? Special roll initiated. I think it's doing the falling stuff first. I think. Let's see. Also, firstly, let's just real quick. Alright. Alright. So we can test a bit faster. And then in here, if debug is debug, debug.log, debug.log, let's rock. Because I don't think it's doing it. Yeah, it's falling before it can do it, which is very interesting. Which tells me it's also doing this. Yes. I hate this, but look, it's not the end of the world. I think there'll be a better way to do that. I'll ask Chatty in a second. Haha. Whoa. Hey, hey, hey. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What is he doing? He is a little off. Sir, you are drunk. Go home. What is happening there? That's fascinating. So we're doing... Let's rock. Yeah. Huh. Hmm. I got a feeling it's actually... So, our pivot is where it's supposed to be, there. And then we do this. And then... Oh! It's pivoting there. And then it is down. Huh. Was it falling? No. It just gets put there. Huh. Maybe if I make it faster. I also think it needs to be the other axis. Oh, I know why. Because it's not ending. Yeah, okay, I know why. So, instead of doing it like this, where it gets called here. Yeah, okay. Also, before we move on, let's clean this up because this is disgusting. Is there a better way to do this? I hate the two else statements. Can it just be one? Oh, I can do it in both. Okay. I didn't know I could do that. Right. Okay. Cool. No, and move. Okay. Hmm. Cool. So it's still working as normal, and that's still working nicely. Yeah, hasn't broken anything else, which is great. That's what I like to see. Fantastic. So what I'm going to do instead is put... Actually, I don't even need this now. I was going to put this in end move. Which is here. Yeah, right here. In fact, instead of just doing this, I need to do the other stuff as well. So I should just call move again. Or not even just move, just this stuff. The setup. This stuff should go in setup. Yeah. Yeah. It's declaring this. Do not declare it. Make that public. I want that everywhere. Cool. This shouldn't have affected anything. Cool. But if I do this, it freaks out a bit. Probably because we're not stopping that coroutine. Yeah. Cool. So in here, I want to do setup again. but this time... Actually, no. Actually, no. Yeah, cool. Nothing's broken. Yeah, cool. What I want it to do is... stop this coroutine, call another coroutine. Yeah. And then we put in a yield break here. Actually, let's just do that. Let's see what that do. Fantastic. And yeah, now it's not, yeah, great. That's what I wanted. So in here, where you need to do all the setup to do the roll, to do the bonk. So we need to firstly call setup. I believe that should sync all the transforms and get it nice and yeah. Cool. Let's keep this off. Actually, no. Let's see what it do. Yeah. It won't work. Oh, actually. Ooh, I could do something very naughty. Cool. Great, even. Okay, cool. Ooh. And it's putting the pivot in the right place, which is surprising. What's interesting, I think I need a different method in here. Hmm. Interesting. Very interesting. So if I initiate that, and then yeah, wow, that is all ready to go, which is fascinating. So let's make another method. Called start rock, I think. Yeah. Oh, it's still going. It's doing it over and over and over again. Huh. That's interesting. Let's do start rock, follow up. Oh, why did that do that? And then we'll do turn follow up. Yeah, it's doing the thing again. Oh, of course it is. Because it's going to do this every time. we need a different one of these, which is pretty much the same, just without this. What do I call it? Finish move. Oh. This might be overcomplicating it ever so slightly. Hey, but it's doing something. Hey. I think it is in fact rotating. It's hard to tell. And it's calling... Yeah, it's calling it. Maybe I need to make this bigger. Weird. I've got a feeling it's because this tween this tween is still going. Yeah. Maybe I should do it. Maybe I should make like a custom function that runs at the end of I think so. I think I need to do like a dedicated finish, like end of rotation function. Anyway, my brain's starting to hurt, so we'll leave it at that for now. Yeah, that was really good. Movement system work. Step down and familiarizing myself. Movement system. Step down. Step down bonk teeter is an interesting idea, but proving difficult to implement straight away. Fantastic.